What's up, guys? We are in the kitchen at the house with a video for Try Treats, guys. They've been sending us boxes each month. We've been having a blast. You guys have been loving the videos.
Yeah.
So we decided, you know, what better place to do this than right in the kitchen. Carrie has somewhere to spit it out
Why
if
not?
she wants to.
Yes.
Rather than the floor of my studio.
Sure.
Which is under construction still. Insurance is fun.
There will be more update videos, but you'll just have to keep an eye out.
Now, guys, I want to remind you, Carrie and I will be live tonight, but tonight will be a special 7 p.m. Eastern start time due to some work obligations. So we'll probably go on for like 30, 40 minutes. We got some killer giveaways we've been waiting. Carrie's back. It'll be a lot of fun. I'll put the link down below. Go make sure to click that like button. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Now, our guys from Try Treats every month from a different country. Carrie looks forward to this, guys. You want to see the unveil of what country we're doing this month. All right, guys. What is it? Boom. Oh, a bunch of stuff fell out. But
South
this was Korea.
Korea.
Yes, sir. South Korea. We got a informational card about South Korea, kind of like a postcard.
Yep.
We've got a recipe card.
Sorry, yep.
They come with an awesome recipe card.
With a fax about.
And also, they have a list of the treats we're going to get in here. And we have my discount code information, which I'll put down below as well. So go sign up for Try Treats. It'll be awesome. You can do a box. We were talking about people getting together and doing one live. We'll do one.
Yes.
But this month is South Korea, guys. What kind of delicious treats are we going to find in this box? Let's go. All right, guys, we're back. We got the box from Try Treats. Carrie is not excited. So, Carrie, you can go ahead and make your first selection of what we want to try. Let me get this card right
I
here.
want to try these. I want to go with the COO Biscuits from Concho?
Concho Choco Biscuits by Loti.
Because they look like they should be like a biscuit with chocolate.
Concho Choco Biscuits are bite-sized crunchy biscuits filled with a chocolate filling. They come in a cute package with adorable-looking love-struck mascots named Carney and Choni.
Wow.
Ooh. So this might be delicious and cute at the same time. Guys, how excited are you about delicious and cute? While Carrie's having a struggle bus opening this
I can
package.
smell them too. I know. I struggle here. Okay.
All right.
You want one?
Yeah, guys. So check them out. They've got a little paw right on them. Check them out.
Oh.
Very cool. Very cool. Very cool.
Hmm. Mm.
They're good. They're not sweet at all. You know, they're not sweet at all.
The chocolate has just a hint of sweetness.
Not very sweet.
These are pretty tasty.
Not very sweet at all. All right, guys. So let's see. What's my next one I want to pick? Well,
I picked the best so far. This is number one.
So this one right here, guys, is called yogurt jelly. I don't know if you've ever seen anything like this. I haven't. But this is called yogurt jelly. And I'm going to open it up.
Really? Why did you have to
We're going
make
to find out and see. I'm very curious.
Right after my first favorite.
I'm very curious about yogurt jelly.
Can I just get a little spoon or something?
No, it's like candy.
I'm not dumping that.
It's candies. It's gummies.
Oh, that bag scared I really thought that was liquid.
Guys, they're like gummies that look like little soda bottles right there.
Okay.
Here you go.
Now I feel a little bit better. That's why I was so scared about that bag, is because I actually thought it was liquid.
That's very tasty. I'm not sure exactly what the flavor is. Let me read
Would
it.
it taste like a creamsicle?
Perry didn't read it like I did.
Oh, I'm sorry. I haven't eaten it
Yogurt
yet.
Jelly Loti is a delightful and refreshing candy that combines the taste of yogurt with the chewy texture of jelly. Presented in a resealable package that makes them perfect for on-the-go snacking. Guys, these are good.
That actually isn't bad.
I'm going to eat these. These are delicious, guys. Delicious.
They almost have like a orange, like a citrus taste to them.
Yeah.
They're not too bad.
They're delicious.
Yeah.
Carrie, you get to pick the next snack. No, you're taking a lot of time to pick a snack. We got turtle chips.
Turtle chips.
So we got...
Don't tell me I take a lot of time. I'm thinking about it.
Turtle chips by Orion. A unique, popular chip known for their light, crispy texture. They feature a distinctive 4-layered structure resembling the shell of a turtle. That's how they get their name. Guys, these are going to be amazing.
So is it going to be like...
Turtle chips?
Is it a corn chip?
I have no clue. They're turtle chips. They don't smell bad.
No,
these taste like... These are flamin' lime. You missed that on the front. They're flamin' lime.
Yes, I did.
Let's see. Are they flamin'?
Yeah.
I like those a lot. You get a little bit of lime. They've got some good spice to them, especially on the afterburn. Like after you've eaten it.
This is okay.
These guys, turtle chips. This flavor, flamin' lime. Dude. Delicious.
It's okay. I didn't eat all of it, but I'll put it right there. That's why we're in the kitchen.
I got me a little Topo Chico to cleanse my palate here.
Not sponsored.
All right.
Okay.
My next pick. We've got to go sweet, and then there's a lot of sweets in here.
I know.
My next pick is this.
Is it sweet?
Where's the list?
I wonder. Here.
What is that?
What is that?
It's this.
It's a Loti. Here, let's see. Oh, it could be one of these.
No, I think it's the chocolate pie.
Probably this chocolate pie Loti. Are biscuits layered with chocolate and marshmallow? The chocolate coating of Poco pies surrounds the inner layer of the marshmallow. Fun tip, some people prefer to freeze the choco pie.
I don't think these are what they are.
Oh.
I don't think these are what they are at all.
That's the closest thing on there. I don't know.
You really taste any kind of flavor in that? It's kind of just like bread. Like it's like a not a very sweet cookie.
It reminds me more of like a coffee biscuit.
Maybe these are the Margaret cookies. Yeah, that's what it is. So Margaret cookie, French butter, and a peanut filling. That's what these are.
There's a peanut filling?
These have to be the Margaret cookies.
Yes. Look, there's little nuts. See the nuts? There is nuts.
Yeah, peanut filling.
Hey, I can spot the nuts.
All right.
There is nuts in here.
You want to go ahead and pick another one?
Yeah. There's a lot of sweet in here. Okay, here.
That's what I said.
I'll go with the cocoa pies.
Choco pie?
Yes, this is what I was reading about a minute ago. It's right there.
Yeah, choco pie, biscuits layered with chocolate and marshmallows. The chocolate coating of choco pie surrounds the inner... I see
it's
what
like
happened.
a moon pie.
You thought I pointed at that.
Oh.
Yeah, this is a misunderstanding.
It's the one right above it. Know what this reminds me of? A moon pie. Because
they did
it's
give us two of them in here.
A moon pie.
They did give two of us these, and since Carrie won't eat the whole thing, probably.
Yeah.
I won't open the other one because I'm assuming it's probably going to be delicious.
A moon pie.
A less sweet moon pie, just like normal of foreign treats, because they're a lot less sweet. But it's pretty good. I have to say. I have to somewhere to put it.
What are you going with next?
These treats are sweet, so.
There's so many sweets in here.
Let's go with whatever this little black bag is, which is...
I know, that's kind of worrisome.
Chick Chalk by Lotte. Right here, guys.
Premier chocolate chip cookie. Soft in texture and is made with real chocolate chips. It's luxuriant flavor and soft texture gives it that
it's not really
homemade
soft if
cookie
you see,
feel.
guys. It's not really soft.
It didn't?
No, it was very crunchy. No. It has the texture of like a generic Chips Ahoy.
Yeah.
And to me, it tastes like nothing.
It tastes like a generic Chips Ahoy.
You can sort of taste the chocolate chips.
But the cookie isn't very sweet.
You know sometimes when you go to the store and you're looking at how expensive everything is and you see the Chips Ahoy and you're like, the Kroger brand or whatever brand's by you is on sale for like $1.69, but the Chips Ahoy are like $6, right? And you're like, man, what could be the difference? And then you come home and you sit down and you want nothing but one of those cookies and you take a bite and you're like, ooh, I should have bought the Chips Ahoy. That's what that cookie is.
Okay. Oh gosh, I don't like custard. I don't like coconut. Let's go with chocolate. Or did I pick the last one?
What?
I think I did pick the last one. That was or no, you did the cookie. This is the chocolate corns.
Chocolate corn puffs by Cosmos. Ooh. So I'm thinking these are like one of those chocolate puff things with the
yes, Cocoa Puffs.
Cocoa Puffs. Chocolate corn puffs by Cosmos are crunchy rice puffs in a chocolate flavor. Have similar texture to Cheetos, but instead of the cheesy delight, it's chocolate. So they're chocolate Cheetos, is what apparently these are.
Oh, that's what. Oh. Here, let me get.
Did you show these off to people though?
Yes, I already put them up there.
Look at this.
Oh, look, it's like perfect. Isn't that awesome?
Look at that, guys. Look at that, guys. I'm taking one for the team with this. Let's try it.
How's this one?
It's like eating.
I get it has the aroma.
No, after you eat the whole thing, you really get the chocolate.
No, that's what I'm saying.
So like,
but it just dissolves. Like you,
it's
literally.
A lot, yeah, it dissolves. It's a lot denser than a cheese puff, not a Cheeto, and it's good. It's just weird because like the chocolate in that texture, and then
as soon as your teeth hit it, it dissolves.
It tastes like it's
so weird.
Cookie from an Oreo.
Yeah.
Like when you're just eating the cookies from the Oreo, that kind of taste. You've eaten more than one of those little poop turds.
I ate the whole turd pile.
She ate like the whole little pile of them. They are pretty good.
They're not bad.
All right.
They're interesting.
I gotta break up this mess of
I should have saved that for last. Because it wasn't bad.
So the next one we got here, as you could read that right there, toasted seaweed.
Oh.
Check that out. I'm never a fan of this.
Toasted seaweed, or otherwise known as lever, is traditional Korean snack made from seaweed, seasoned and toasted to perfection. Crunchy in texture and savory in taste. This snack is a favorite in Asia. Ooh, you're dropping some.
Doesn't smell like anything, guys.
I'm not taking a whole sheet. I'll take a little sniff.
There's a little view of what it looks like, guys.
Oops. Interesting. You're gonna eat the whole piece? You can't just give me a little tiny piece off the corner. Yeah. He wanted to be funny. I'm not eating the whole piece.
Think of whatever you want. Oh. It tastes I don't like the flavor of seaweed, guys.
I don't either.
I don't like that fishy taste that you get from it. I just don't like the fishy taste.
Mm,
you know?
nasty.
It tastes like it's been in the ocean.
Yeah.
Alright, so.
Why didn't I get the chocolate after? Like, I should have saved it for the end.
Well, you were saying that these sounded like they were good. So we got two.
No,
left,
I
guys.
said I don't like coconut and I don't like custard.
We got buttery coconut biscuits. And we have custard cream cake.
Oh, you're good. Why don't you put that one back in the box so we know we haven't used it if we haven't ate it yet?
Because I can remember.
Okay, we have custard cake. Is a moist and fluffy cake with delicious custard cream filling that melts in your mouth.
Check it out, guys.
The texture of the cake is moist and satisfyingly fluffy with this silky, smooth taste.
It has an interesting texture. It does sort of seem like you made cornbread in a muffin pan and it just didn't proof enough. Let's break this in half and see what the inside looks like. Ooh, it looks like it's like the texture of a hard-boiled egg yolk. Check it out.
And bread.
Check it out here.
No, you're not shoving. Nope. I don't trust you putting it in my mouth. Ha, that's what she said.
It's good. It's like angel food cake.
Yeah.
It's like, you know those pans of frozen angel food cake you can buy at the food store? You bring them home, let them defrost. That is exactly what this is.
Yeah.
Even the outer texture and the sponginess of it.
I agree with you on
next
that
time
one.
we got, I think they're the Sara Lee ones. They came in the tin pan. Ooh. Those and that Pepperidge Farm coconut cake. Oh, that's youth.
Get some strawberries and whipped cream.
Kroger's open till 11.
No, we're not getting another going tonight. At least tonight.
We got
Okay, what is our last one, Adam?
buttery coconut sweet biscuits.
Okay, let's find that on here. Is that this one?
No. Butter coconut biscuits.
Oh, butter coconut biscuits are crunchy, delectable cookies that catch you off guard. It has a unique taste of buttery plather with a hint of coconut.
What does it say? Buttery. I don't know what that word is.
Exactly, see?
All right.
And nobody will know. No, I'm joking. This cookie can be seriously addicting until the last bite.
I really like the taste of that. It's like a club cracker, but harder. And then it has this coconutty taste. It's like buttery.
No. Know what that reminds me of?
One of those townhouse butter ones.
A graham cracker without being a graham cracker. That, like the texture, the crunch of it.
I could say that.
Everything.
Guys. I don't get a lot of cinnamon.
A buttery. No. I'm not saying. That's what I'm saying. Take the graham cracker out of it. And the texture of the graham cracker and all that. Even like, see how it broke? Let's see if you can see that. I'd say this is like, but it's like a buttery. I don't taste the coconut. Is it because I ate it this way?
It's
Let's
not
try it
very
this way.
coconutty forward. And you can taste, it's just the sweetness in the cracker that's added by that.
Yeah, because I don't taste much coconut. I taste more like a butter cookie.
It's a very good thing. Hey, I liked this month's box. There was a lot of good stuff in it.
Bad.
This was a super fun box. So guys, please make sure to go check them out. I got a good discount code on their boxes. Plus, you guys can try some of these awesome treats. They're pretty good most of the time, and just personal preference on most. Remember, tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern, we have our live at a special time. So make sure to hashtag down below, try treats.
Hey, I even liked most of the treats this
Good box this month, guys. If you want to grab one and hit me up on IG, hey, if you want to go live, we can go live on a Wednesday and I'll do boxes, guys. Anybody's welcome. So guys, make sure to join us tonight. #TryTreats. But for now, Adam and Carrie, we're getting out of here.